Hey squad, it's your girl Curly Chrissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you guys see by the title, your girl is excited, your girl is happy. In this video, I'm gonna tell you from the start what I had to do to reach to this stage, monetization. I'm just gonna give you all details, let you know what I had to do from the start and how I got here. Break it down for you, because before I got monetized, I watched a lot of videos on YouTube, and most of the videos, they don't really give you details. A lot of stuff I had to find out on my own while going through this process, and I was like, why not just come on here and share what I've learned and what I've experienced throughout this journey. So if you hear noises in the background, it's raining outside, so don't mind that. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so let me start from the beginning of everything. I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel since 2015, and I wasn't brave enough because I'm very shy in person. But over the time doing videos, I came out of my shell a little bit, so you guys won't know that I am a very shy person. So I didn't start in 2015, but I finally got the courage to start January 1st, 2019 on New Year's Day. That's when I uploaded my first video. Okay, so that's when my journey began. Then, as we know, for you to get monetized on YouTube, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers or more and 4,000 watch hours or more. It took me 8 months to reach 1,000 subscribers, which I'm thankful for that, because you know, it takes some people a while for some people it's like in a month, in a couple of weeks. Everybody's pace is different. I didn't really know much about watch time until I made it to the 1,000 subscribers, and I was like, okay, I'm at the 1,000 subscribers, let's do this. No, my advice to you guys, don't focus too much on the subscribers, because the subscribers will come. The main focus is watch time, because that takes a long time to build, trust me. All right, ooh, it's a lot of rain outside. Okay, so made it to the 1,000 subscribers in 8 months. Then my next goal was to make it to 4,000 watch hours, and that took me 1 year and 9 months. 1 year, I repeat, 1 year and 9 months to get my 4,000 watch hours. Guys, don't let that discourage you, because like I said, everybody's pace is different. It could go faster for you. It all depends on the length of your videos and how many people viewing your videos. Okay, so after reaching the 4,000 watch hours, now we're gonna get into the details on how I got monetized on YouTube after reaching my 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So on October 2nd, I reached my 4,000 watch hours, which is this month. So after reaching the 4,000 watch hours, the YouTube team is gonna review your channel, making sure that you are eligible for monetization. So they're gonna review your channel, making sure that you follow YouTube guideline rules, your videos are YouTube friendly and are able to be monetized. For some people, the review can take up to 3 weeks. So what nobody tells you is, after you reach your 4,000 watch hours and you're getting reviewed, which I'm gonna leave a picture right here showing you how it's gonna look when your channel is getting reviewed. Like I said, what nobody tells you, if you go on YouTube Studio and you see all the lists going down, like videos, analytics, monetization, all the way down, you're gonna see send feedback. So what I did was I sent a feedback to the YouTube team saying, hello YouTube team, as you can see, I finally reached my 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers. If there's anything else you guys need me to do, let me know. That was my feedback. So when you send a feedback, you get through faster. A lot of people don't tell you that on YouTube. Bro, the next day, October 3rd, my channel was completed, was reviewed. I monetized all my videos. Yes, one day. It took one day for my channel to be reviewed because I sent that feedback. And then I had to monetize all my videos and add the ads to my videos and so forth. That was on October 3rd. So here's another thing that nobody tells you. Oh, before I forget, you have to have a Google AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. That's very important. If you have it already linked to your YouTube channel before you get monetized, that's good for you. So when you've reached your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you don't have to go through all that process, filling out Google AdSense, doing all the extra stuff. It's already there. So yeah, that's a tip. Anyways, after I put the ads on my video and so forth, so you know YouTube has to send you a pin to your address just to verify it's you and that's your address. But before they can send that pin to you, after you add the ads to your videos, you have to reach a minimum of $10 before YouTube can send that pin to your address. So in the Google AdSense, when you sign up, you're gonna add your address, you're gonna give your name, you know, just little information and so forth. So they're gonna send it to that address, and make sure your address is correct, because I hear a lot of stories that people have to like request this pin 3 times, 4 times, and after getting monetized, if you don't submit this pin before the 4 months, then your channel ads won't be running on your videos anymore. So you have to make sure your address is correct. For me, thankfully, it came through smoothly. I didn't have to request this pin 2-3 times, but like I said, you have to reach a minimum of $10 before you can request for this pin. Like I said, add the ads to your videos, and then after, you wait a couple days until you've reached a minimum of $10, and then they'll send the pin out. So for me, thankfully, it took 2 days for me to reach the $10 minimum, which was exciting. October 5th, that's when they send that pin to my address just to verify it's me and that's my address. They sent this. This is what you're gonna receive with the pin inside. So for some people, it takes up to 3 weeks for them to get this, but I received it a week and couple days after. I forgot what date exactly. I received it like a week and 2 days, or maybe it was in the mailbox this whole time and I didn't know. I just randomly went into the mailbox to get another mail and saw this, and I was like, wow, I thought it was gonna take 3 weeks, but 1 week and 2 days and I received my pin. So I know you guys see a lot of people with this thumbnail in their video. This is not the paycheck. No, this is not a YouTube paycheck. Don't let them fool you saying, yeah, this is the YouTube paycheck and this is how much. No, this is not the pay. This is just the pin. So I entered the pin, and you only have 3 attempts to enter the pin. So make sure you're entering the right numbers when you're entering the pin. Don't make any mistakes. You just have to be careful. Make sure everything goes smooth. Everything is good. I forgot this little part. Once you put your pin in and you've reached the threshold, which is $100, like I said, YouTube does not pay. Okay, if you make $99 this month, you won't get paid for this month. It has to be $100 or more. YouTube does not pay under $100, so you have to reach your threshold before you can get paid. And once you put your pin in and everything is, you know, you've reached your $100 threshold, that's when you put your bank information in, your tax information and all that excited stuff, and then you're good to go. You just have to keep making YouTube friendly videos, keep on the safe side, no copyright videos, no copyright music, you know, no nudity and all of that extra stuff. Just keep it classy, keep it cute. Anyways, this is one of the things I didn't know and I had to find out on my own. So, and nobody tells you this on YouTube. So before getting monetized all those views, you don't get paid for those views. It's kind of like starting all over again. You're not starting over, but it kind of feels like you're starting all over again, if you get what I mean. How it really works is you can still get paid for your old videos that you've posted, but only if it gets viewed in the time that you got monetized. Before monetization, no, those views, you don't get paid for those. Yeah, so hopefully I'm explaining all of this correct. Like I said, you can still get paid for your old videos, but only if your old videos are viewed in the time of monetization. So that's where I'm at right now. Anyways, I know for some people it takes a long time to get this 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, while for some people it's fast. But please don't let it discourage you. Keep going, keep pushing, keep uploading, keep being consistent, because one day all of this will pay off. Don't let all this, you know, long overdue time discourage you and you give up. Just keep uploading videos. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying so hard to be consistent with a full-time job. No excuses, no excuses. Do it. Everything can happen faster for you than how it went for me. Who knows? And yeah. All right, so everything started out this month, so you know I'm still, you know, growing my little change. But as you guys know, everyone's first payment is always between $100 to $200. Might not sound like a lot, but for some people it is, for some people it's not. And each month it keeps growing, because your views are growing, you're uploading more, so that's more videos getting viewed and you're getting more subscribers. So like I said, every month is gonna keep growing. I'll probably receive my first paycheck like next month, because like I said, everything happened in this month. I'm still, you know, going through the process, but I just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on. A lot of people notice that my channel has been monetized because of the ads, so they will message me and say congrats, you know, stuff like that. So I was like, all right, might as well just come on here, give a little update on what's been going on, let you guys know about this monetization, what the process I went through and I'm still going through. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. If I forget anything, I'll leave like little clips in between this video. Hopefully I didn't forget anything, but the process is not hard. Trust me, it is not hard. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Make that thumbs up blue. Thank you guys so much for your support. All of this wouldn't have happened without you. I am so thankful, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.